Hello to everyone, this is John, thanks for watching. This is a very cheap property that needs help. It's structurally sound, made of stone and brick, and I'm re-releasing it because I made an error last time. This version will be public in 5 days.
Hello, good day. I am in village Sadina. Lovely, charming village with beautiful surrounds. Only 20 minutes drive from town Popovo, and here today I have a little helper, a pussycat who come to look at what I am up to in this property. I'm showing you today a house in village Sadina. The garden is not big, easy to maintain. It's about 1000 square meter garden. The house is stone and bricks, need renovation. Have a few leaks on the roof. Will be a little bit hard to show you because I have lots of trees around. But I have even free mushrooms. You can eat them. This mushroom called chervenka, I know from my grandma, and they are very nice. Very nice. If you just put a little bit salt on the top of them and just put them on a pan. The house is 2-story, and we will go and see it with you. There is a big barn on the side which need a work, and a little annex. This beautiful orchard here. Sadina is a village with few shops, nice lakes. Our way to Ruse and half hour to town Razgrad, or less of 2 hours to the airport. Here I have an old outside tap, and I'm going to show you the annex. The house is cheap. For this, what the price is, don't expect much on it, but it's a good project or good investment in Bulgaria. I have the cat with me everywhere around. I'm at the moment in an annex which have 2 rooms which need work. How I already mentioned, have a roof leak. This was some kitchen. You have here on the side a very old sink, and here you can see we have a leak on the roof. But every house in Bulgaria always needs some work on the roof. And here it's another room. The floors are gone. They have been from wood, but the property needs good scraping and cleaning, and you can see it. The all need to be done around. I'm going to show you the barns. And have a big village gates. You can see it. The barn need a work. But it's still a good investment for the money which the seller asking. Have another cat. And this is the outside of the street. I'm going to show you the basement, which is only one room under the stairs of the property. Oh, the ground floor has with these beautiful stones, and we have a basement down with a mud floor and a nice wooden ceiling. You can see it. The basement continuing. It's come like on an edge, and here we have a more space. Come on, pussy. Go away. Come, pussycat. It's a nice surround. I'll go show you in a minute upstairs. Here the people live around without any fence. Everyone respects people's garden and don't go to their plot. The house needs work, needs a repair on the roof, and of course internal repair too. It's beautiful level garden, you can see a lawn with a nice view up. And now I'm bringing you upstairs, and how I already told you, the house is for renovation. When you line up, you got a large big corridor, very messy. I apologize for it. This is the hall for serve the attic. Look like someone was loved to read lots of books. And here you have 3 rooms, good size rooms with wooden floors. All the wallpaper are coming off from the walls just because it's too old. No one maintained the house from a while. And here is still part of the garden. Going to house number 2. And this is the typical original Bulgarian beds with a drawing on it. And here again you have nice size room with very old wallpaper. Here is the garden and lots of spider webs. You can see the house needs well maintaining and the renovation to start. You have here the original hard render with old typical Bulgarian paint, which they are having with special roll and look like a wallpaper. And this is the best large room, but that room have 2 leaks. You cannot see it. It's just because a few tiles been not maintained. From there start all the problem. Here been fixed now. This was came from the chimney. You cannot see it's all closed there. And Here I have another hole, but I'll be not able to come up to there just because a few tiles are broke. No big deal. It's possible to be renovated and repairing that ceiling, and of course the main important thing is to be fix the roof. Yeah, it's a nice feeling corner property which sitting between two roads. It's really peaceful and lovely in village Sadina. The garden have lots of flowers, but because the autumn is here, you can't see it. All the autumn blossoms from the leaves because they are coloring too. I will show you. This is we calling a minzuhar, and it's called Esenen minzuhar because it's only in the autumn time. And I have a really friendly cat walk all the time with me. It's a good point here. You can take a nice property in Bulgaria, in a rural part of Bulgaria, where in the villages the people are still people and the life is easy and relaxing. We're going to see upstairs.